Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I took a great software for you guys. Let me show you what this software working, how to do and what you have to do. This is very interesting software. I will give you some more preview about this. So this software name is Meettrics. You can design your booking pages and tracking from booking data easily to use it. So you can see that the lifetime is 59 here. If you purchase one time, you will get 10 discount and lifetime use. You can use it lifetime use. And if you want to buy, then go to my description link here. You will get your link to buy. So what is a matrix? Let me show you the overview. Matrix helps you schedule any kind of meeting and analyze which booking pages perform best. So you can optimize your booking process. Wow, very nice product. Yes, you can optimize your booking process. These multiple calendars design custom booking pages in create persona invites with the same tool. Alternatively, Calendly and Doodle. Doodle you may know is alternative like that. It's so cheap price, you can buy it. Best product search teams, solopreneurs and marketers looking for a scheduling tool that converts more traffic into calls. They need it very much. Okay, marketing automation here and metrics lets you schedule any kind of meeting your working hours and preferred time zones. Just import all your calendars to get started. If you want to share meeting calendars with your team or just let everyone choose the ready-made meeting times. Very interesting features. Metrics also lets you delegate meeting tasks according to the latest schedule that week. You can invite your coworkers and clients to set up meetings to own customer scheduling portal, not Google portal. It's customize your own calendar. You can do it from here. So I think this is the best software for you to buy. I recommend you. Make your booking portal as unique as that features with custom colors and photos. Make it generate a visualized funnel to help you track conversations, leads, at every step of your booking process. Metrics integrates with Google Analytics, Microsoft Outlook, and JPS, so you can leverage all in one tools in like text. So if you want to buy it, then go to my description link here. You get your link to buy, and you get discount if you buy from my link. With Metrics, you are able to design your own Google portal and sync your team, sign your team calendar to meet scheduling success. So I think this is the best software for you to buy because of here you can customize your own calendar and you can do meeting with your team. So I think it's the best software for you. Let me tell you that lifetime deals, what the lifetime deals you will get. You must taking here, you must actively measure these 60 days lifetime set here, photo collection, meeting, invitation, basic analytics, advanced analytics, everything is entered here. So I think if you don't even, suppose you are buying and you don't have anything, then you can get 60 day money back. So this is the best software for you and go to my description here you can buy it. So thank you for watching my video.